So I really like June's kitchen. So like June and Rachel are like, I enjoy their videos a lot.
Okay, let's go. Alright.
Kitty!
Who's ready for food?
Look at them! Look at the kitties! They're so well trained. Aww. Oh, look at that!
Hi, buddy.
Our cat feeding station is a perpetual work in progress. We've gone through so many different types of foods, dishes, feeding platforms, feeding routines, and I think we finally settled into a routine that's working for us for now.
I feel like I should increase the volume a bit more, so I will just do that.
All over this area.
You can let me know if it's too loud, chat.
It is wet here.
Yeah, I know. This is the idea that I've settled on. 4 cat bowl stand separated with walls with an acrylic panel in the back so that we can still see through into our cat room.
This reminds me of ramen store.
Oh, that prototype.
I already bought the wood and had it cut at the store because that will save me so much time.
Oh, that's really nice.
Ramen store.
That kind of does remind me of that, yeah.
Project because it is a very hard wood.
Ooh, that's interesting information. It's fast growing, widespread.
Haku started harassing Nagi because he wants to play and Nagi escaped by climbing the cat pole.
Dude,
Good
I
job,
wish
Nagi.
like I
Away
had
from Haku.
the space to do more for my cats as well.
Haku's
Like,
sleeping. Lazy
I'd
cat.
love that. Half my house would be dedicated to cats though.
Oh. Nice.
I wish I had the skill. You learn. There's nothing about like the skill. You just
Sakura-sama, that looks
try.
Like a good exercise.
I hate circles so much.
3 more.
everyone hates
about-
circles.
I went out and
Everyone hates circles.
I regret not getting one of these sooner. It's so much easier, June.
Yeah.
So much easier.
Okay. I can get behind the hack.
Got 2 very messed up holes.
Exactly. You have to like learn
This
it.
one's not too big.
It's not about like
That's what she
if
said.
no one has
And
it,
I
right?
think I'll do the rest of these by hand. That's what she said.
I don't understand. What?
It's okay. Gotta make the edges safe.
Ah, sanding.
Boring.
Oh, this is very satisfying to watch.
Reminds me of a professional patissier.
We are sanded and
It kind of like looks a tiny bit more like a toilet pipe.
spots that I didn't fully sand are
Time
here.
investment, the harder thing going to the store and buying materials.
More sanding.
Sleepy wife.
Yeah, I mean, I think like their
Again.
their job is full-time content creation, right? Making videos and stuff. So I assume they have a lot of time.
On this.
Oh, Rachel.
It's not.
Another one came.
It's not something everyone has. That is for sure.
Here now.
He's gonna batter you. Crash,
He's
careful.
not. He's
I mean, only one of them.
cute.
He's getting ready to attack.
I mean, I know June has his kitchen. I don't know if Rachel has another job.
Oh.
I haven't like kept
Very
up with a lot of stuff.
Oh, Pokey's checking. Oh, you have to make it smell like this.
Aww.
So professional, Rachel.
He's already
Pokey's
like
gonna
enjoying
check
it.
empty bowl. Welcome to Cat Ichiban.
Aw.
Rachel.
Can you spot the mistake I made?
Dedicate the underneath of your bed to your cats. My underneath the bed there's no spot, there's no space. Like my bed has no underneath.
These are 1.5 thickness.
I love all the cats. Yeah.
It was in the wrong slot when I bought them.
I love my cats
I
more,
just
but
pulled out
like
4 and I didn't
their
think to
cats
check
are-
to see if one
are-
of them was
are really
misplaced.
nice too.
Yeah, this 0.5.
It's the reason why I have a wheel on my phone as well.
It really bothers me.
Really bothers me.
That's
I
because of
understand,
Rachel
especially
buying
by,
them a
like,
wheel.
violating your situation.
Oh.
The design, yeah, it bothers me, but you know, honey.
Well,
You should get a cat named Dust.
heal them and start glowing.
All I can think about is Dust Elysium. A platformer. I love that game. Ooh, that looks really nice.
No, this one's Pokey.
See, look at the wheel. I want to get one of those.
She is.
You know Dust? Yeah, I love it. It's one of my favorite
Before
games.
we show the final result.
It was a very emotional story, but really cool, and it felt very fluid combat-wise.
I think our sponsor, Sakuroko. Thank you so much to Sakuroko for sponsoring this video. Sakuroko is a monthly Japanese snack box subscription. Every month the theme is different. This month is Moonlit Sakura.
How about
I might try it.
with my light? Ta-da!
I might actually go for it and try this one.
Sawahara-san no candy.
Oh.
I'm kind of sad I missed the Sakura though.
Use real Sakura powder.
But like tea stuff, I like tea stuff, so the fact that
20 authentic and artisan Japanese snack items, including
Aw.
teas and one tableware. This one is.
why is that cat with a
Sakura
cut
glass.
tail?
You know.
You're gonna help Pokey.
Do they ship outside of
Comes with a
Japan? I
booklet
think
that has
so. I will
information
try
on
it out.
snacks and cultural facts. This candy is from a local Kyoto candy maker who June actually just went to visit. Japan really likes to do seasonal flavors, so this month.
Yeah, I really like that type of
Sakura flavored stuff,
seasonal
which will be gone
flavor
as soon as
stuff.
spring is
That's
over.
like awesome.
Hey, you can't.
But I think they do, given that they're sponsored by them. I would assume so, especially because a lot of their audience is outside Japan.
It's really.
But we'll see, we'll see.
I need to do the roll with it.
I hope they deliver to me. A lot of places don't deliver to my country, which makes me
It's
sad.
such a pretty color. Oh, whoopsies.
That was really fast pour.
I know, it was an accident. You're right, it's not sweet, but it is floral. It's very peach and hibiscus. It's exactly what it says it is. Sakura Cream.
Oh, that is so cool. Jesus Christ, why is it so
No,
hard?
look how creamy
What she
cream
said.
still is. Delicious. Interested in trying some
Aren't you
of
part of
the
Eurozone?
recipes
Aren't you
in
cute,
the
Temsa?
description box?
No one gives a fudge about the fact that we are part of the EU. Most people don't deliver to our country, but they deliver to Germany.
Back to my cat project because I'm really excited to see the
And they deliver everywhere, except us, you know?
Mwah. Food time for everyone.
Technically, yes, I can sue them, because they're not allowed to. But that requires me to have money to sue them, so and years of my time.
Nagi!
It's done.
He's watching.
Because technically, they either deny service to the entirety of EU or deliver to the entirety of EU. But they can cherry pick and get away with it.
Holes in it.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
He's waiting already.
Oh,
Rachel, how already went in?
wait, they're getting water in that one? No, not food? Oh. Oh. Okay, okay. They're getting the
So cute.
watered kibble. Mine dislike watered kibble so much.
This is what I see when I go into the Ichiran ramen shop. When I
Yeah,
go
it's
through
really
the aisle.
annoying,
They also kind of
Richard.
look like livestock, like horses or cows at a feeding bar.
I don't think I would like to have such a feeding thing for them. Oh,
Pokey's the only one standing. Do you see this?
The Braille Test is when Pokey finishes his.
is he gonna go over? Yeah, there he's already doing it, but
You kind of give up?
he couldn't make it. That's why they put the door thingies. It's working.
He turned his back.
Round two.
Oh. You can sue without paying money. Even if you don't pay for a lawyer, the proceedings still cost money though.
Of course.
Get your butt out.
Bad customer. Bad customer.
Oh, yeah, that is so adorable. Oh was so
Water
cute.
that has gotten underneath. Nagi, just a very tiny amount. Pokey, a bit. Peachy, the most.
Oh, I see.
I'll just need to keep a rag next to here to wipe the area down, which we have to do anyway. I'm really happy with how it turned out.
Yay!
Interesting
Good
that
job.
they have to clean the area like that.
It does look nice.
Yay!
That was constantly
That's a
Henry.
nice shot.
Yeah, he is. But yeah, the reason some cats don't have tails was because it had to
Alright,
be
ready
like
for breakfast.
cut.
We ready?
But some are also born without a tail, or like a chop instead of a tail. I had a cat that had
Please
two
stop.
tail
Stop eating.
ends as well.
Let's go. Let's go.
This was the most precious thing ever.
Cat marching.
Who's ready for breakfast? In our beautiful.
Yeah, like for some it had to be amputated, for others like they're born with it deformed, you know, it depends on the cat. Because someone asked why some cats don't have tails, right?
They're so confused. They're all so confused.
I like how the only one that has like a slow feeding throw
He's so
is Pokey.
so fast. Peach is hesitating because this is
Wow.
different. She doesn't like changes. She has to follow her routine. This is new. Makes such a mess, Peach.
Jesus, that was a big mess. What the heck? A big appetite. Yeah, that's like Rora. She can eat for free cats.
With them the whole time because
She's a bit of a fatty, but she's lovely.
anyway. But this is really cute.
And that really helpful.
It's so much more organized. Good job, cutie.
Wait, I don't know if I like would
Thank you.
make a feeding thing for my cats, personally. Oh, look at how cute they are. But I absolutely adore their channel. Like, for anyone that doesn't know it, they're like, they have cooking, they have like life stuff from their move to Japan and everything. It's like, it's great. I recommend it. Oh, the puesas. Yeah, it's like comfy vibes. That's their channel. It's very comfy vibes.